have it all, rip the memories off the wall. All the special things I bought, they mean nothing to me anymore. But to you, they were everything we were. They meant more than every word. Now I know just what you love me for. Take all the money you want from me. Hope you become what you want to be. Show me how little you care, how little you care, how little you care. You dream of glitter and gold. My heart's already been sold. Show you how little I care. My diamonds stay with you. You're never gonna hear my heart break. Never gonna move in dark ways. Baby, you're so cruel. My diamonds stay with you. Material life won't fool me. When you're not here, I can't breathe. Think I always knew. My diamonds stay with you. Shake it off, shake the fear of feeling lost. Always me that pays the cost. I should never trust so easily. You lied to me, lied to me. Then you left with my heart around your chest. Take all the money you want from me. Hope you become what you want to be. Show me how little you care, how little you care, how little you care. You dream of glitter and gold. My heart's already been sold. Show you how little I care. My diamonds stay with you. You're never gonna hear my heart break. Never gonna move in dark ways. Baby, you're so cruel. My diamonds stay with you. Material life won't fault me. When you're not here, I can't breathe. I think I always knew. My diamonds stay with you. Diamonds, 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 diamonds. My diamonds stay with you. Diamonds, 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 diamonds. My diamonds stay with you. You're never gonna hear my heart break. You're never gonna move in dark ways. Baby, you're so cruel. My diamonds stay with you. Material love won't fault me. When you're not here, I can't breathe. Think I always knew. My diamonds stay with you.
Sanbonani do Melang, and hello. Welcome to the very first day of Vlogmas. Yes, I decided to do Vlogmas. I don't know what I'm putting myself into, but you know what? We are within sesingenile phakathi enebona angifuna ama advice. Guys, so this is the first day of Vlogmas. If you're new here, ngeke Phumzile mapasa mkatsani. Mfazi wabana batena wangeni koma ngavunula vulisa mfazi umsusa kanele kwa chili baphosa mkatsani. Golonkwane chila kamasengwa nomanziyane ayibo. So you guys, this is the very first day of my Vlogmas series situationship. I'm definitely not gonna be like episode 1, day 1. Maybe I might say day 1, but I don't want to put myself out there because some days you never know, you know. So this is the first day. To start the day before we do anything, I just finished eating, as you saw. I just made myself some breakfast, so I quickly want to put on this lotion. It's the Inuga, they call it the 212 VIP. There we go. So I quickly just want to put it on my hands because baby girl's hands are ashy. It ain't cute for me to look ashy on my first day of Vlogmas. Like, what the hell? People will judge me, okay? Y'all shouldn't judge me. That smells so fresh, you guys. Anyway, I opened the video here because I quickly want to show you guys some items that I got from Pep Home, because today we are going to be spring cleaning the bathroom. So I want to set up some items just to make it look a little bit cute, you know what I mean? So I quickly want to show you guys what I got before we go into the bathroom, and we will get into the vlog, okay? So hold up, let me get the things and I will see you guys just now. So to start the haul, if you watched my haul, you probably saw some of these items on Sunday. The first item that I got is this faux plant. I love the fact that it's got like a Christmas accent situationship with this red situation here. And then I love the detailing that's like glimmery here, you know? The shimmery, glimmery situationships right there. I love that. And this retailed for R9.99. In fact, they call it the Christmas flower, which is really cute because it's the Christmas season. So I really like this baby. There are more, which I think I'm gonna get. I want to go to Pep Home with you guys tomorrow, so I think we might just get more of those. Then the second item is this beautiful frame right here. This retailed for 11 Rand 99. This frame is very, let me actually just quickly open it. Oh, this thing of not having nails. I'm just gonna, there we go. Glad I didn't ruin that. So, this is how the baby looks. I'm so excited about her. This is it. Can you see, you guys? Oh, please look at the detailing right over here. Right? It's everything. It's literally everything. Ah, I love it. So I love the detailing right here, the whole boho kind of look, you know, plants, vintage as well, you know what I mean, ancient, but like really modern in its own way. I'm really excited about this. I'm going to keep this artwork for now, but as time goes, the reason why I picked the black frame, it's because like as time goes, maybe I might just find like a Pinterest like artwork that I can print out and actually put in here, like maybe something black and white, you know, something that looks a little bit high end and so forth. But for now, I really love this. This is very, it's giving me vintage, it's giving me hip, it's giving me artist, you know, and that's all me. Okay, I like it. And as I said before, just to remind you guys, this retailed for 11 Rand 99. Please don't look at my nails. I need to do those. But anyway, then I got this basket. What do they call it? It's a decorative plante. I don't know, guys. Potato. So this basket is white. What I use this basket for is for like keeping as storage for my facial products and so forth. So I'll just keep like different things inside here. I have one like this. I'm not sure if they are the same size, but I got this on the Black Friday special, and this retailed for 16 Rand 99. Initially I think it was 19 Rand 99 or so. I'm not sure, I can't really remember, but I love the fact that it's white, which means it will blend in with anything. I won't have to stress about, oh my god, where would I put a yellow basket, or where would I put a green basket? Guys, I'm sweating like a crazy person because Hammanskraal is so hot. Guys, I'm from Hammanskraal, if you didn't know, right? Yeah, it's hot here. Okay, it's really hot, and I'm scared of having the fan on because it's gonna be like woo the whole time, you know. But anyway, this is 16 Rand 99, and I love it. I can't wait to show you guys what I'm gonna do with it. And then last but absolutely not the least, it's this face kind of like vase situation. I think it's also a planter. They call it a, no, they just said it's a plastic vase. I really love this. I love the fact that it's nude and that it's matte. Like, what can a girl ask for? Like, what more can a girlie ask for? This is perfection, right? The girl is chilled, whether the man, this is a man, right? Hey, the person is okay whether you put in a plant or you don't put in a plant. So I think I might just put in some dry grass, this one to be exact. So this, I love this, what do you call it, dry plant. I love the fact that it has like that little purple detailing in it. It's like really cute. So I think I might just put this baby in here, and then I'm gonna put this baby in this vase, this little vase right here, because this is like a kind of like a whiskey vase. So I might just put her in here. So I will see. But otherwise, this retailed for 29 Rand 99, which is not bad because she looks so classy, classy. I want to say classic and classy at the same time, but she looks classy, classic, high-end, super cute. Looks expensive, but is really cheap. She's cute. I mean, he's cute. It's cute. Okay, I like this. I am really excited to take you guys along so we can just set everything up in the bathroom. So without rambling too much, Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Vlogmas is starting. I don't have a specific time of uploading, so do make sure that you click that notification bell to make sure that you are on top of the things and you're finding out about everything that's happening on this channel. I don't do my usual greeting, but if you're new here, get hello, hello, and hello. And if you're returning, and you are on the right channel. So notification gang, I really appreciate you guys. But for now, let's get into the video and I'll see you guys later.
You must think that I'm stupid. You must think that I'm a fool. You must think that I'm new to this, but I have seen this all before. Never gonna let you close to me, even though you mean the most to me. Every time I open up, it hurts. So I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when I mean the most to you, in case you go and leave me. And every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. And every time you leave me, the quicker this tears dry. And every time you walk out, the less I love you. Baby, we don't stand a chance. It's sad, but it's true. I'm way too good at goodbye. I'm way too good at goodbye. I know you're thinking I'm heartless. I know you're thinking I'm cold. I'm just protecting my innocence. I'm just protecting my soul. I'm never gonna let you close to me, even when you mean the most to me. Every time I open up, it hurts. Oh, I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when I mean the most to you, in case you go and leave me in the dirt. And every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. And every time you leave me, the quicker these tears dry. Every time you walk out, the less I love you. Baby, we don't stand a chance. Sad, but it's true. I'm way too good at goodbyes.
Hey guys, so I just finished cleaning the bathroom. Then I decided to just fill up my bottle, which I also got from Pep Home. Yeah, this was like 20 rand. And the ice cubes that I got from Pep Home as well. You know these cubes, guys, reusable ones. They melt really quickly, but they are definitely worth it. So I just made myself a cup of green tea right here. I know it looks like pee, like it's just weird, but anyway, I like my green tea super strong. But the reason why we're here is because I want to tell you about this PR drop that I got from a company called Spainajar. So we all know like it's December and it's a lot to kind of like save up for well, I almost said alcohol, but alcohol, groove, going out, you know, depending on the kind of person that you are, you know what I mean, just de-stressing from the whole year and like kind of like unwinding and letting go of the year end kind of like fatigue and stresses, you know what I mean, exhaustion and all of that. So this company, this brilliant company right here, is called Spainajar. What they did is that they know you're budgeting for like a whole lot of things. Children are going to go to school super soon and you don't have money to go to a spa. So they made it easier for you so that you can literally have a spa without leaving the convenience of your own home. So this is called Spainajar. I hope you guys can see it. And I'm going to show you each item that's in here. So with Spainajar here, they say they have one aromatic soap, as well as a herbal soap, Himalayan bath crystals, a body brush, natural washcloth, as well as one candle. And then they have this little one here as well. And let me see the front here. So this is how it looks. And then this also has some items. They didn't write what the items are. And if you want to order, you can just go to spainajar123@gmail.com. I'll definitely leave their details down below so that you guys can interact with them and actually get your orders. And I love the fact that it's a lady who works with her mom, and the people who make these products are elderly women who just make sure that they make everything like handmade. So Jay, you can feel the touch of love when you get this jar. So to start this, oh guys, it smells so good. Like just literally opening this jar, like guys, please do me a favor and plug yourself. Yo, anyway, so this is a natural cloth you hang to dry after bathing or taking a shower. So this is just the natural cloth. It's wool, I think. And then right over here I have this baby that smells so amazing. It's this chamomile Spainajar oil. Oh guys, this baby, ngiyatshela nomuntu wakho uzothi yeah baby yileyo. And then this is the candle that we're referring to right here. It even has this little glass that you can use as your holder, as well as these bath crystals right over here. They are really beautiful. They look like rose quartz crystals kind of thing, you know. So these are really cute. I like this. I love them. I love them. Okay. Then here it's their green tea soap, no milk. I love that. I love it. Green tea for the babies. Yes, honey, yes. And then right here is their lavender soap right over here. And then last but not least from the jar is this brush over here. This is the brush. This is how it looks. It's travel size, which is really cute. Let me quickly just pack these in here. Then I'll pack it properly. There's this little box that I showed you guys, right? And this little box with the cute little bowl right here, they have the, guys, everything here smells so good. You don't understand. Please pack yourself, like you won't regret it. Make sure that you literally invest in this. Yo, Mtase. If you're a scent person, and can I tell you guys, there's something called scent therapy, where when you smell certain scents, they actually kind of like heal certain parts of you, whether they revive your soul or they actually relax your brain or relax your body. Like your body could be like in pain because of like particular reasons that you don't even know yourself. And then you smell something and then something in you just relaxes. Talking about relaxing, let me drink my green tea, guys. You know what I mean? So I'm the aura babe. I'm the chakra babe. So everything that works for alignment, I'm for it. So this is like literally igniting parts of me where I'm like, child. You know what I mean? Like I can feel part of me, like certain chakras in my body is like just reacting to the scents because I'm big on scents. I'm really big on scents. So this is the soap. I didn't check what this one is. It's the Miss Rose soap. And then this one here, I have like lights on, so that's why I can't read properly. I have face wipes that are reusable, which is super great. They are natural. And then over here it's Lacarola, and it's a fruit milkshake oil. This is like more on the sweet side of things. Oh, it smells so good. Oils. And I keep on saying amatoteni because this is for women, right? They specifically say that their target market is women. Women of all ages. High school, primary school, and then workers and everybody. I had a boob in there because I was like, primary school, but the children need to relax as well, you know. So you guys, I think this is it for me what's gonna happen now is that I'm gonna make some dinner, and I think I'm gonna include you guys in that process. But otherwise, as for me talking to you guys, it is done for today. I'm definitely gonna talk to you guys tomorrow, so do make sure that you tune in tomorrow because it's Vlogmas and vlog every day. So tomorrow what we're gonna do, we're going to Pep Home and we need to get some decorative items for Christmas because Christmas is approaching. It's Vlogmas and okay, so make sure that tomorrow you join me because I need to also go to a fabric store and I need to get some stuff, Lana. So do make sure that you join me tomorrow. But for today, I'm like, bye-bye. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys really liked it here so that you can click on that notification bell to make sure what's excites us together and we're doing the things. You know which one is the notification bell? Right after you press those red words, you see that right here that says subscribe. Exactly. There's a bell. Kaya ice cream. That one, you go click on it and then it will go clicking, and then when it goes clicking, you literally get notifications. Sometimes when you press on it, it will ask you there in settings, just press on so that you get the notifications. All right, thanks. It's free to like, it's free to subscribe, it's super free to comment, and it helps the channel and it helps the girl keep on going because the girl knows that you are enjoying the girl's presence. So for today, guys, I'm saying good night and a goodbye, but otherwise, let's go make some supper. Maranalwena. We will talk tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Have it all, rip the memories off the wall. All the special things I bought, they mean nothing to me anymore. But to you, they were everything we were. They meant more than every word. Now I know just what you love me for. Take all the money you want from me. Hope you become what you want to be. Show me how little you care, how little you care, how little you care. You dream of glitter and gold. My heart's already been sold. Show you how little I care. My diamonds stay with you. You're never gonna hear my heart break. Never gonna move in dark ways. Baby, you're so cruel. My diamonds stay with you. Material life won't fool me. When you're not here, I can't breathe. Think I always knew. My diamonds stay with you. Shake it off, shake the fear of feeling lost. Always me that pays the cost. I should never trust so easily. You lied to me, lied to me. Then you left with my heart around your chest. Take all the money you want from me. Hope you become what you want to be. Show me how little you care, how little you care, how little you care. You dream of glitter and gold. My heart's already been sold. Show you how little I care. My diamonds stay with you. You're never gonna hear my heart break. Never gonna move in dark ways. Baby, you're so cruel. My diamonds stay with you. Material life won't stop me. When you're not here, I can't breathe. I think I always knew. My diamonds stay with you. Diamonds, 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 diamonds. Ooh, my diamonds stay with you. Diamonds, 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 diamonds. My diamonds stay with you. You're never gonna hear my heart break. You're never gonna move in dark ways. Baby, you're so cruel. My diamonds stay with you. Material love won't stop me. When you're not here, I can't breathe. Think I always knew. My diamonds stay with you. Oh, you're never gonna hear my heart break. Never gonna move in dark ways. Baby, you're so cruel. My diamonds stay with you. Material love won't stop me. When you're not here, I can't breathe. I think I always knew. My diamonds stay with you. Diamonds, diamonds, diamonds. My diamonds stay with you. You must think that I'm stupid. You must think that I'm a fool. You must think that I'm new to this, but I have seen this all before. Never gonna let you close to me, even though you mean the most to me. Every time I open up it hurts. So I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when I mean the most to you, in case you go and leave me alone. And every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. And every time you leave me, the quicker these tears dry. And every time you walk out, the less I love you. Baby, we don't stand a chance. It's sad, but it's true. Way too good at goodbye. I'm way too good at goodbye. I know you're thinking I'm heartless. I know you're thinking I'm cold. I'm just protecting my innocence. I'm just protecting my soul.